guys, this is Kiki, owner of Egyptian, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, you guys, is it's basically, I know I'm all over the place with videos, but as they always say, pick up a camera as soon as you want to make your content. So I feel like this is a good content. But I went to Michael's and I picked up stuff that I can use to use as prompts around my to my product pictures, and I thought this was really cute. So these are they're hearts. So I thought, like, if I put my body butters or any of my pictures, I could put them with the hearts, you know. So got those. Then I got the crinkly paper to package out orders or to make the boxes look so cute and pretty. I got 2 of those. Then I got packaging foam to pack out orders. So I got 2 of those. I need some room to put these. So these are going to be going underneath the table too. And then last but not least, 2 last things. Tissue paper to put in there. Got 2 of those. And gift bag. So what's going to be coming in this gift bag is when you order in your gift bag, you're going to get a fluffy heart, or you can get the other ones that I showed y'all. If you don't want, I'm not saying if you, it's probably going to be random. So random pick. But more likely, I'm feeling the fluffies. And candy, and yeah, that's it. So, yeah. So this is some cute, I'm super excited that Michael's had this. Like, y'all, it saved me so much from ordering off of Amazon and waiting when I can get everything right there and right now. So, I have everything I need to package our orders to start. Is this going out? Okay. I got everything I need to, yeah, for shipping wise. So, that's going to be it. The next video, I can guarantee y'all, I'm going to wash the containers. I'm going to wash containers that I need. Everything's going to get washed. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm doing this with one hand, putting everything back. But, yeah, I'm going to wash every container that I need. I'm not going to wash all. I'm just going to wash containers that I need. I probably will wash all containers because of backup. I need some backup products to keep in stock. So, yeah, I will see. And I will be ordering body butter. So, pretty much what's going to be backup stock is pretty much my sugar scrub and my body oils. It's going to be backup stock. But body butter, y'all know, it's going to be tough with body butter. But, yeah, y'all. So, that's more videos to come in soon. Yeah, so if y'all want to see more videos, or if y'all like the videos that I've seen, please give it a thumbs up or comment. I'm very nice. I want to talk to y'all. Please comment on what videos y'all want to see business-wise, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.